Kofi Oduro fa kwasi come closer na beji. Kofi Oduro se wabodam wo ho. Se kolo wi tofe no u ovadi. Wi tofe no wadi abroso wo ho. Wo kwasia and another administration na wo kan galamse asem te se de wudi waduane ene wo bra kwase ampani na nanim se wutiri ho no wo na ye chief of staff it waka wan watum ho wo bra juros on na ye chief of staff enti ene waka wan watum kwase ampani wo kwase ya weti meka Asante asem he Kofi Oduro next week me book you ma book you washe next week na next week kwanya me do be fa so okroma no kwase ampani wo na ma wrawuo wonya asem wonya wano wo ho kraye ye tan wo ho hye so wani mu huhu se efunu wodi wuji mi ba Asante so a kwanya de me do be fa so no wo
ini adaje masa kwase aba no onko gym na diabetes iku no ne high blood pressure wo soro pa wonko na ne so nte ade chi aye pompi ni true mo asiaba stupid network nkwasiafo na mo so amofuma asem mo Asantefo so mo chimie aboa sia ale yanko ka ho ya titi wono why say you malt why say malt oni shape ni party tia no was all round one born a black star for born so no I say soccer see you foolish people when am time kan kwasi asem ni sorry what can in any and few I just say you busy ya dey ba ba jo ma metwe so what dey me no kan no asi asem 2 weeks time dem aba uni na twam wa be jimi bia ba jo ma metwe so onyi ma me ka kire mo wasi animu ozamu jimi bu Asantefo di jimi ana ya soma wana ye ne ka kire ma me se ma ni nkodi Asante kote ye ne ka kire wuni ana ne ka kire na nanu se ma mu nkodi Asante kote aboa wate si animu se wuni ni Kofi Oduro rifo din sa na de na ati ya at turn left and right jairi no ne jai jimi no jairi no Kofi Oduro jairi no rifo suban na wo ye ni jai jairi no na usan kwase asem no shatawale kura wonye jairi no ne jai kwase ate mu no na country masongo kura wo jai kwase animu ube jimi mi se jairi no what the fuck who no we anko anu aye say dey fa kwase foko ujimie abodam see ye be fa bible see ye asofo ye wi akotena kire wo akohyehe enti na ye no bi see ye ma na ye nyame aduma no abo na nka wo ye asofo kire wan wonyim say aso wate stupid fool asiye be didi atem because open oje politicians sika wona abo jimi mi see jairi no na ahonto kwase anya woni sa akwa bi no wo vision 1 no wo sofo Oduro with all your credibility and you woni nana ya ho ahwan nana ya safu seden amwo vision 1 and abochiche nkrofo sika samudi wo mu betu kwan ekosi sen wo kwasi ani mu na bitie wo na bitie wo credibility and nkrofo di akire at times ka de koma nana ya safu ekosi sen mojiji nkrofo sika samudi wo mu betu kwan Kofi Oduro ekosi sen asemba ya na aye wanim twia se ba kofofu kwan na ni patenten die kakra bi na nim nyansa wo mo no kakra bi omu twia na adwene no lesina boa me se woni nana ya osafo me na metie mu vision 1 2016 2017 na me ne me fie ni na ye sore ene mo ye live worship anopa mojiji nkrofo sika no Kofi Oduro nana ya safo so this can dwane you so ye den no ekosi sen asoi ekosi sen you have the mouth to talk about corruption were you not advertising for a corrupt entity? Were you not part of it? Kwasi animu asema beka beka sense wo vision 1 ma beka someone nana ya safo man fa di bia man je nkrofo sika ama na antodem board I'm not see any more record on the end show. Yeah, me and the many. I look at you people like this. The many the show. And the many the show. Let's see any more record. They will record the end the show. You soon could see that. foko. Mama nyame soma e tan. Ye no bi so kwentimi nkwa so bi. Ye de ni sei. Ena hwemo. Mo nkwase asem ne mo nkwase akekan wanim tan say de eta ede wo. Abo na mate. Abo na. Si ni. Aso afa Jimmy Brian so. O sorry a ukonu wi no na efa utima. O papa penya ti sha gina sorry dem. E she G string. O yakwase awati obi nim kora we yesade. Utimi ja sorry dem. No wa she G string. So for papa penny na mudrumu na wujimi kwase ani mu. Unya de obeti an tu for say you can't say any shit about us what. So what Jimmy and Fefiri Ashantifuo so. Aboa si akwasi ada nkofo aba sorry na be ma wo she G string. Say wo de yen church wo chira wan. Wo chira wan. Wo yere ni ntimi nchire drops nchire wo na wo chire drops nchire kwasi ani mu ate enye wi na anu manka wo wa so yi din say alabaster wi fo din sa wa board amate alaba wo ni chance alabaster get to din sa aso yi dey say alabaster bia ba fo din sa asia wi fo din sa alabaster ya so ye ni pa kwa sa alabaster abuo jimi kwasi eni mu de mu jimi ni ehwe mu din ya ma mu jimi ni ehwe mu din ya mu jimi ni ehwe mu din ya yeti esuru mu ya ma mo time obi a mere beso asia nye wi ni na be bia so ye ato alabaster ye wan alabaster ganja semsa sha situate Mary send the videos no mama wa hawa na me me phone we ye bibi. Ya mo so na dam ne ba mutiri ma. E ya mo famra Ashantifuo so ma petime se me sum na se tutu ewu asum Asanteman. Entu de o jimi a wo ka Ashantifuo a me na wo ka me. Me be so na chese me need time. Ampo wate. Ampo si ewini. Uye wini foko. Uye wini. Me ma nu reader ntimi ne mi fo. Ai. Me afia ma nu reader. Timini mi fo ye wi ni foko wonye wi ni amfa so re nkoto ala master fa Jimmy foko si ni asia de ya kan asem bi.
Prophet Kofi Oduro, I respect you. Let this thing stop immediately. Now what sort of nonsense is that? Everybody in the tribe, Dagari, Frafra, Dagomba, Ga should all be promoted. Why don't you promote your own? Maybe na me promote to Dagomba.
Religion.
We believe, say, we want to project our king, our kingdom, our Ashanti. It shows the panonimu or time be our and I want to me yaje. Asama ba and fast Ashantifuo the akuti a bonus uba akuti and depending. How can one tribe try to dominate one tribe? You want to dominate everybody. Tabai na OTCSC. Apart from Amperi Kufu Bedi Ade, Odi Ade so ma yehu se ofri ha. 8 years no koneko he the track record. Any do ye ma Ghana. Ade.
Some people are innovating, and when I look at the debate this week we are here debating over pettiness like a name, a term, fighting over nonsense. That is what we are experts of. We fight over nonsense. There are 52 languages in Ghana. All of them deserve their language to be printed anywhere. All of them. They deserve that. In Frafra, Dagate, Dagare, Sisala, Kontunkuli, Nanumba. They all deserve. We shouldn't have any kind of dominance of some kind of ethnicity who wants to dominate all the time. Fairness, equity, that's the gospel of Jesus Christ. Treat your brother well and fair. What you don't want us to do to you, don't do it to your brother. Simple. You are not the only people who will always be receiving attention. That is not Christianity. More, there's some kind of dominance that comes with certain people that what nonsense is that? Everybody deserves that attention also. It's sometimes interesting, you know, what the Bema Kurabe fears or the papa. First question, Ufri. Ufri inside, mommy. Ufri inside. Ufri inside. Come on, Ufri inside. We have not told you our history. When I married a Quell boy, married a Krobo girl for 4 years, we had what we had never seen before. The problems they gave us, you will not believe. Aden waware kroboni. Ensewunu, wona me no kotena. Fansewunu gina, wona me no kotena. One day I stood here and said, Obia umpe kroboni, don't come back. Is here Biao? You are bringing your nonsense pettiness to the house of God. You bring it to the house of God. And we are purporting useless stigmatization and stereotypization against innocent people. Adenya oya igbeni aden oya nkreni aden oya kuntunkulini ufri sirim ufri hen. Stop it! Offering him. You will have people who have no Christ in them say things that you pepe ni. Pepe. What is pepe? Pia! What is pepe? Pepe ni. I know what you're saying. So now we are not even looking at brains. We are not looking at character. We are now looking at Pepe. Pepe spirit. Pepe. Bemen wunyam fu jina wenim. Yadi yam pepe for. Mnamope hefo. Hefo na mope. Pepe ni. Unya. Historically, certain tribes had to go and marry from another tribe to have certain stature and certain form and structure of people. Tells me that everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody. Now let me bring it to the main message and the core message and push it this way. This is not the time for pettiness, like petty party, political, vindictive nonsense. We don't need it. Or your MPP, or your MPP in TDA, or rights or joining MPP, or rights or share MPP atadia, or right to that, or your NDC, or rights or your NDC. It does not stop us from relating as brothers and friends. It's just a political party which is here now and it will be gone tomorrow. Because CPP and Debbie Baba, they will not even have an assemblyman. You will not believe. They have out of all the seats in parliament. There is no CPP there. MPP ebetwamo. Ena NDC nso betwamo. Look at the way the world is going. As a this generation, your child's generation, very soon they will not be ready for this nonsense we have. MPP this, MPP that. Yeah, mano, they don't care. I'm telling you, they don't care. This is why you are seeing about to dynamics, demography, is changing.